What's up everyone, it is me, Amay, and today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels 1992 BMW M3 with yellow, black, red and blue from SW the 90s for 10 with 195 out of 250. Take it back to the 90s with the fan-voted collection, and there's a BMW trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail, passenger side, rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof. The code says T17, that's the code. Okay? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.